pretty calm. Pretty calm New Year's Day. Squirrels have been coming over in dribs and drabs. It's getting cold. Here goes somebody. Oh, he got himself a walnut. Oh, who's that coming over? Hey, who's that? Come here. Come on. Yeah. He was close. Oh, here they come. See, you ring the food bell and they start coming. I hear some coming through the leaves. You hear them splashing through the leaves. Oh, here's another one. Come on. Oh, there's another one up there. Oh, they're all starting to come out now. Come on. Come here. Come here, little one. Yeah. 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 You got it. Cold front coming in. Ooh, there's another little one. What are you doing, little fella? It's okay. It's okay, little one. I'll get you a snack. Oh, getting buzzed by the blue jays. Oh, here's another one coming across the fence. Blue jays will buzz the squirrels when they're irritated. You looking for something better? Who's that? Who's that? Here you go. Hey, come here. Oh my goodness, I don't even know who that is. I think that's Bonnie. Oh, look at the little one. Yeah. Yeah, that's the little one. I think he lives there in the house. Right there. He went up that tree. We got Bonnie and Clyde in there. Who's that there? Come on. Come on, little one. What you want? Hmm? Let me see. Oh, it's maybe two. It's maybe two. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, he hopped up in that tree, in the bush there. What you going for? A drink of water? Thirsty? That's one of our watering holes. Oh, jumped over. What you doing? That's all you wanted was a drink? Look at this little one up here. He's a little one. He's a little fella. Oh, he's a little one. Uh-oh, who's coming? Who's that? Who's that? Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. You wanna try a pecan? Walnut? That's big. Can you handle it? Yeah, alright. Yeah, some of the little ones can't handle the big walnuts. But they seem to really like these walnuts that we've gotten. Gotten lucky with the price drop. Yeah, they all starting to come out. Right now it's getting cold. Temperature's dropping. We got a cold front coming in. Oh, who's that? Dirty nose. Who's that? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. You gonna take it from my hand? Come on. Yeah. All right. That's progress. Yeah. Come on. Who's next? Come on. Come on. Yeah, yeah. You want a walnut? Can you handle it, little guy? Yeah. Right here. It's right here. Right here. Oh, no. It's good. Yeah. Second thought, he said, I'll take it. Oh my goodness. Getting chilly now. Come on, squirrels. It's getting cold out here. This little guy is still sitting up there. He's just relaxing, huh? Oh, that's it. Might come through the bottom. Who's that? Okay. Stormy. Stormy's taking a walnut. All right. Come on. Come on, little one. Yeah, yeah. Gotta get a drink too. Oh, you can't do it with that. You gotta sit up there and eat it. Got yourself something? Alright. Go. Come on. Oh, you got it. Well, guys, it's getting cold out here. See, we got plenty on the floor there for everybody. Any latecomers. And there's still plenty of stuff in all the baskets there, as you can see. So I think they'll be okay. Yep, there you go. Unless they want pecan. Probably mostly peanuts are there. They generally take the good stuff out first. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm waving to you. Come on. Here you go. There you go. Alright, he wanted a pecan, so he want a peanut. They all want the prize. This guy's relaxing right up there. He's got himself a pecan. Oh, you got a walnut, I think. It's the squirrels of Covington, Georgia. Hey, what are you doing? What you doing, little guy? Come here. Come on. This little fella. Come here. Yeah. Oh, there's two of them now, look. Okay, let me get down and get two. Come on. Come on. Let him get that. Yeah, I got you. I got you, little one. All right. Oh, there's another one. Come on. Come on. Here you go. That's a good one. All right, guys. All right, guys. It's getting late and it's getting cold. Still plenty down here. Haven't seen Speedy today, but my wife said she saw him this morning. Speedy's back. That's cool. We were worried about Speedy and Buddy. They must have both had babies. Alright guys, Happy New Year again. It's New Year's Day. About 5:15 in the evening, sun going down. But it's getting darker later already.